guys, welcome back to Cholo. Today we are opening up
2 Funko sodas.
and Merry Christmas.
We're wearing our Christmas pajamas.
Well, it's also Christmas.
Yeah.
We're going to be doing a lot more videos because we have so much new stuff to open. But today we are going to be opening here sodas.
Dick Dastardly and Muttley.
And I'm opening up 2 rainbow corns. I'm gonna go first.
Okay. Then I'll open
I have
them.
scissors if you need them.
I won't.
Hey.
What'd you get?
Comes in like.
Oh. That's really cool.
I got this one. This one reminds me of like a superhero.
What's his name?
I love this one. This one's so cute.
Mechacorn. It's a
I got Mechacorn.
Alright, now my turn. I'm opening up the Dick Dastardly soda. Let's get into it. It's just the common, but I'll show you it anyway.
Ooh.
Oh, he's so awesome.
You can go a second time.
No.
Here. And
Bubble wrap.
okay. Now let's see what it don't block the camera. I really want to chase at this Slurpee drink.
Open it. Open it.
I want to chase. Okay. Jesus.
Oh.
This just has a France crown. We have
Ooh.
a France crown champion.
And these are the 2.
Look at the crown. There's Eiffel Towers. And he has this nice ribbon and then all the like things. Looks like it's a red, white, and what is it called? 4th of July.
Ow.
Sorry.
Alright, so now we're going to the Muttley soda. I don't know what the chase is, but I hope I get the chase. It's just a common. But he is awesome. Yes.
You didn't get the chase.
Here's Muttley. 1 out of 10,000. No. Okay. So I got 2 commons, which is okay.
Okay, so get the 2 things and put it up. He has to be on this channel a lot, but he is, and it's my channel.
Yeah, I know.
So I got these 2 unicorns. I love them. They're totally going in my collection.
So, hope you guys enjoyed. I want
Make sure you give a big like and subscribe. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe.
Peace.